All right. So you send out the I-6B3 letter requesting the description of the procedure that was used, and the consumer reporting agency did not respond to you. What do? You send this letter out. So what you're doing from round 1 to round 2 with I-6B3 to know the demand for the I-7, you're basically setting them up for a lawsuit. One, we identified inaccurate information. Two, they said it was verified. We asked for the method and the procedure that was used to verify it. And invoking I-6B3, we invoke I-7. And I-7 also says they have 15 days to respond. They did not respond. So after you send this letter below, your next step is a lawsuit. And congratulations, welcome to the big leagues, because now you can show that they repeatedly and that they are willfully non-compliant. So if you are damaging the process, we're going to use all of that, and it's time to go get a lawsuit done. See you on the next one.